Hello, welcome to Web3 Barinua. Let me show you how arbitrage trading can change the game for you.
Few minutes and I'm going to show you how this whole thing works. Now, stay with me. Now, let's go to 𝗦𝗡𝗏𝗘𝗏, for instance. Now, I'm going to use about 2 tokens as example, and then you can figure out the rest. Now, what you need to execute this successfully is to sign up on as many exchanges as you can. Now, let's search the token MXC. Now, look at this token right here. Now, you can see the price about 0.40 into 4 places 2019, right? Now, you're going to go to market. Now, when we click on market, now you're going to see different prices on different exchanges and their prices. Now, hope you took note of the initial price, market price. Now, here's the price on 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗑. Could you see? 0 into 4 places 19.7. So I'm just going to keep the 0 into 4 places and then just dimension the different price. Now, can you see the price on 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧? That's literally, the price on 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧 is literally 2x the price on 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗑. Now, also look at the price on HTX, even though I don't really fancy HTX that much. Now look at the price on Kraken, but Kraken has low volume, HTX has low volume, so we're not using either of them. Then look at the price on Bitmat. All right, so now let's assume we're going to use both Bitmat and KuCoin. Now here's what we're going to do. Let's go to Bitmat. The price is lower on Bitmat and then it's higher on KuCoin. Now here's what we're going to do, what you can do. Now let's go to Bitmat and attempt getting $1,000 pieces of this token and then send to KuCoin. Now we'll click on market on Bitmat right here. We'll have this interface. Now look at the price. You see it's the same thing. Now on Bitmat here, I can click on, let's see what $1,000 will give. $1,000 will give me this quantity. All right, so now let me copy this quantity here. Let me copy it. Let's go to KuCoin to see how much that $1,000 is worth. Now we're on KuCoin right here. So the trick is that we are going to buy it from Bitmat and then deposit on KuCoin, sell it, and then make profit, go back to Bitmat, buy, do as much as we can, rinse and repeat the whole process, and then we'll be making money all through. Now you can see some here that I've sold. You can see some here that I've bought, that I've sold. In fact, I started even buying here. Okay, now this window don't stay long, so you have to be fast whenever you're trying to execute it. Okay, so here now, let's paste this exact quantity on KuCoin. Now this is what we're going to get. $2,084. $1,000 will give us literally 2x. Isn't that amazing? So now we can't let this opportunity elude us. So with that, now he will be making consistent profits. So there are as many tokens as this particular one in the market that have this high price discrepancy, and you'll have to actually leverage on this opportunity to they use this arbitrage opportunity to make a lot of money for yourself. So if there is any other, I think there are some arbitrage tools right here, but I don't have anyone that I trust at the moment. But if there is any other one I trust in the future, I'll definitely always come to the comment or come to the description box of this video to actually update you guys. Else, for now, I do the manual check-in and all of that. So like and subscribe. See you in our next video.